Hi guys! In commemoration of International Disability Day on December 3rd, 2025, Human Development Index Golden Indonesia Social Division is celebrating it with various exciting competitions including 1. Karaoke competition, 2nd. Pantun reply competition, 3rd. Startup comedy competition. Location Human Development Index Golden Indonesian Camp, King Setia's live streaming room. Competition schedule start on December 3rd, 2025 and grand event and announcement on December 5, 2025 at 8 o'clock Indonesian time. We invite you from various countries to join these competitions online via TikTok live streaming King Setia. Okay, we're waiting for you.